Hi everyone, Auntie Christy here. We got another fragile or fragile box today. So I already pulled the top packing off. This wrapping, it was like a skirt for like tablecloth skirt of some sort. So very creative in that. And then there's a card and it's just a retro card inside with cute little birds. And and a postcard from the Milwaukee Zoo. She gave me one last time. And it just says, "Thanks, Christy." And again, this is a box from Michelle at Comfy Cozy Living that we're unboxing today. So that's cute. And the card is blank, so I can totally use that. Very adorable. All right. And first, I see this bag. And I'm like, I don't remember ordering a bag. It looks like something blow up would come in. But, so this is what's in the bag. It's a tapestry, and it has elephants on it. It's so awesome. Now, I'm not going to open it up because it's huge. But you can kind of get the idea. It has like this tribal designs on it, and then the ends have like these fun leaves. I just love the colors. It's really pretty. So leave that up here. That was fun. So yeah, this was just holding it. It's like, I don't remember that. So that was nice. She gave me a reusable little, these are those little like backpacks. And this one actually has a zipper on the front too, so that's kind of nice. Okay. Next, we have lots of bubble wrap items. Bubble wrap. You know what that means. Breakables. Okay, let's see. I'm going to use scissors this time. This is like super packed. So we'll see what we have. I know what it is, but do you know what it is? Can you tell what it is yet? Here we go. How about now? You know what it is? The bubble wrap has eyes. It's a cute little bell. It's so adorable. And it's signed. But I don't know what that says. Let me see. Harrison. So it's just this cute little sugar kitty bell. And what does it have in there? Otagiri. Very cool. And it says Bob Harrison. Okay, so design is by Bob Harrison. And it's just this cute little bell with a sugar kitty on it. And Sugar Kitty is my cat's name. He's a boy kitty, but he's, this isn't necessarily a boy kitty. It's playing with ballerina slippers, but, that could just be the owner's ballerina slippers. Let's see. Now here comes the kitty because he keeps hearing his name. Okay, let's see what's in this one. So there's a flat bubble wrap, and then there's two more pieces of bubble wrap and tape that's sticking to me. Oh goodness. You'd think I'd be good at this game by now, but okay. Here we go. She does not take any chances on any of this stuff. Amazing. She wraps everything so good. And by she, I'm talking about Michelle from Comfy Cozy Living, which is, these are items I bought from her live sale that she has on YouTube. Here we go. It's gonna be so cute. It's an elephant with a little chunk up. And I think when you have like the controlled bubbles like that, it's called Bollicante. And I don't know that it's signed or anything, but nope, not signed. But it's this cute little elephant. His little dots for his eyes and his ears. He's just so cute. Oh, he's adorable. Apparently I have an elephant theme going on. I didn't know that. Okay. Let's see what we have in here. Now the cat theme, that's like not surprising, but I don't always buy elephant stuff, so I must have been inspired. Okay. So, we untwist and unravel. Here we go. And guess what it is? No, probably not. How about now? And oh, look, there's a cat. So now we're at cats 2, elephants 2. It's a tie. So this is a cute little kitty. And he's not signed or anything. But isn't he cute? And he has like a teal, there's like a teal look to him in there. His cute little tail. It's the back. He's just so cute. I just think he's adorable. There's a bigger view. Oh, he's adorable. Let's get his little nose. The little kitty kitty. So the kitty and the elephant. And like size comparison, like they're pretty close to the same size. They're so cute. Yay. Okay, the last thing, the end of the box, and then this is like the stuff that was on top. So it's like she's recycling some packing material, but those, I like that packing material. It's pretty awesome. Okay, this is the last thing. And I like, you know me, I like photos. I also like ephemera. So this next thing is going to be the best of both worlds in that aspect. And the graphics are epic. It is a yearbook called The Owl 1946. But just the graphics on this alone is just awesome. It does have a nice 1946 smell to it. It has a smell, but it's not a bad smell. It's like, I don't know. But you can tell. Okay. But yeah, I like the owl. Isn't that cool looking? Okay. So, this would have been owned by this person. And I'm trying to read upside down. It says Andrew Wenzel Jr. Andy Weasel. It's like, there's like a few different variations written here. But this is the owl. Oops. And so it looks like it's senior class, Slinger, Wisconsin. So that's where this comes from, is Wisconsin. So who knows? Some of these people might be in my ancestry book. Let's see. In the writing. And it's typed, you know, it's not like from a printer, like typed. So neat. I'll hold it back a little better. People signed, or maybe they just wrote the person's name above their face, but I mean, like the pictures. Let's see what else we have. Just skip through. I can't wait to read this. This will be so fun. There's some more photos. Now watch one of these be my relative and I don't even know it. Or one of your relatives and you don't even know it. Wait, this just said class Will. I was thinking like, what? But it says like, Lucille Beartschy will my gift of gab to Luke Ike or something, Ikey. So that's kind of funny. I'm going to have to take a look at that further. Class history. Let's see. I'll just read a couple. Let's see. All right, February 24, 1943. Our English teacher, Miss Hutel, went to California to become Miss Milan Schultz. Mrs. Marr from Hartford has replaced her. Let's see. May 26, 1944, our report cards came, oh my, and the end of another year in school. And let's see. Try to see if there's anything exciting. January 3rd, 1944, and it says, school has resumed, and it says, oh, how monotonous it has become. Let's see. Class prophecy. There's some pictures. Logo. Some homecoming photos and junior prom. There's another photo there. They're very beautiful. Oh wow. So 1946. Dear Andy, here's wishing a swell fellow lots of luck and happiness to a good football and basketball player. So the person who owned this was his name was Andy. So there's more photos. Someone named Bob signed it. And it's football. Let's see. Oh wow. There's like a whole bunch. Wrestling. No, basketball. Basketball. I saw the outfits and I immediately thought wrestling, but no, that's basketball. But look at these shots. Like, I don't think our basketball players these days do these kind of like poses for photos. At least I don't remember seeing anything like it. So that's like the basketball team. It's the B team. So, dear Andy, I'll always remember you as the kid who always sat next to me in classes and had so much fun with. But I don't know how it happened this year that we don't sit right next to each other. Love, Eve. And then there's girls basketball. But they're not in their basketball uniforms. They're like in normal clothes. So, oh look. It's like, I think drill team or flag captain or something like that. I think maybe it's drill team. Okay, let's see. Girls Athletic Association. There's something on here. It says, Dear Andy, wishing you lots of luck and success. A friend, Helen Hahn. And there's cheerleaders. There's the chorus. Lots of people in chorus. Let's see. This one says Peck's Bad Boy. And Student Council. Let's see what else they have. Cardinal Beacon staff. I don't know what that is. Maybe like the paper? No. Yeah. Maybe it's their like student paper. And then are these like people's baby pictures or something that... No, I don't know. I don't know what that is. But I know that guy's cussing. Let's see. And then at like advertisements. Slinger Bowling Alley, Slinger Foundry Company, some taverns, and an organ company, more taverns, St. Lawrence Garage, Joseph Gundrum Oil Company. Interesting. Malsack Electric. And let's see, there's like one more page in here. So this will be fun to look up, like on Ancestry. The funeral home. Oh, look, there's like, someone put the old Chevy sign right there. More autographs. This one says, let's see, it says, "Dear Andy, here's wishing you luck and success in the future. I'll always remember you as a good basketball player and the guy who stole my letter that I wrote to a certain girl, your classmate, Rita." And then just some more, yearbook signing. Let me find one more. Okay, so here's one more. I think this lady already signed though. "Dear Andy, lots of luck and success to another one of those junior boys who are always acting silly." And it's funny how like they put like what they are. Like this one says a buddy, Ed. This one says a friend, Dorothy. This one is a classmate. Another one that's a classmate. So there's another one that says your buddy. It's just so funny. And then the back's blank. But yeah, it's a really cute book. It's in pretty good condition. It's from 1946, but I really like how it says the owl. I just think that would look really cute, just for decor. All right, so in recap, we have the 1946 yearbook from Wisconsin called The Owl. And there was this bag and this tapestry with an elephant on it. And this is, I believe, well, my purpose was to buy this as a gift. And so, but I'm not saying who. And then the cutest little glass kitty cat. I don't know if you can see that. Let's do it like this. There we go. I'll put the kitty there. And then there's the elephant with the trunk up. So cute. And of course, can't forget this sugar bell. Ooh, as I wreck it. I can't really see it too well. How can we put that in there so you can see it without the big glare? It's like a major glare. What if I move these and block the owl? It's just gonna have to be glaring. You can see it okay there. All right, and then we have a cute little postcard from the Milwaukee Zoo and a nice little happy birthday card. And again, this is from Michelle at Comfy Cozy Living, and she has a YouTube channel. She does live sales, so go check her out. She has a lot of fun. She's just the sweetest lady you ever met on YouTube. So you'll be in good hands. She's hilarious, and she always has a great eye for really fun stuff that you just can't live without. All right, everyone. Thanks so much for watching again. This is Auntie Christy, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.